It's Friday. It's Friday. Hey, hey, hey. It's Fresh Cash Friday. Hey, what's going on, guys, today? Well, I made a couple trades last night. In the middle of the night, we had some news come out about a Iranian somebody. This guy from Iran, I think it was a general or something for Iran. He got hit by a rocket, which was a USA rocket, blew him up sky high. And, well, the market did not like that. And we had a huge crash last night in the overall futures. And then this morning, the SPY opening up after a huge gap down. So big move in the market last night. A lot of stuff going on. But this morning, we were able to capitalize once again. So making 4 trades, 4 winners, and walking away with $425 in profit with real money, real action. Talking about this trade right here and overall what's going on right now with the market. We're making moves, baby. It's Friday. Let's go. Last night there was some big news about a Iranian general or somebody was killed by a rocket attack by the USA. So it had a big overall drop in the E-minis last night, the futures. You can see a huge drop last night. I ended up getting some of the action, ended up making $275 last night trading, but I missed out on a lot of the big move. But looking to see what happens this morning, see if we continue this move lower here. I'm just kind of waiting to see what happens with the trend right here. On the 5-minute chart, we are just kind of right there on the trend line, and then on this 1,000-tick chart, we're kind of right there at that support there on the EMA. So no need to jump in just yet. Wait for the trend to kind of figure out which way it wants to go from here. And then we'll see what happens here going into open. We got about 30, 40 minutes till the market opens. So just trying to see. I want to see this kind of break below the bottom of this candle. I think if we can break below this support area, we should start to kind of roll off from there like that. So that's the plan. That's what we're watching right now. And we'll look to see if that ends up happening here, or if we end up kind of trending back higher, I'll go along. So depending on which way this trend wants to form, that's going to be the way we're going to play it. We're going to trade the trend either way. So up, down, all around, mostly up or down. We don't want to go all around. Going sideways, not so good. Going up or down, that's good. So we'll see what happens here. Looking for this to break down and start to roll off from here is kind of which way I'm leaning right now. All right, so there's the breakdown we were looking for here, down to the 226 area, breaking down, losing that support there. So let's see if we can get an entry on this now. I'd like to see this kind of just pop back up a little bit, maybe a 227 area, or just some type of pop back. I need some type of little move back here towards the EMA. Take one right there at 226. Can add some more if we do push up a little bit. Looking for 226.75 for another add, 227 area. I'm going to take one there at 226.75 now. See if we can get down there in the 225s. See if we can see 322.550 area. All right, that's where we're at right now. Let's see if I can take one fill there just to lock it down, let the rest ride. So taking one contract there at 225.50. So let this, see if we can't get down there, the 24.50 area. Got one contract here, still open. About 9 minutes till the market opens now. See if we can break to this 225 here. Little bounce back there now. Looking for a 224.50 here to break. See if we can't get filled down on those in the low 224s here. So we can get filled here at 224.25. There we go. Locking that down there. $425 from last night and today. I'm going to be happy with that. It's Friday. I'm green. It's a new year. That's all I'm going to focus on. Right? That's a good way to look at it. Obviously, it's going to go lower now. It's going to crash to like 2. It'll probably come down to here easily before open that 22 area, that 220 area there. Or 222 area, and say like Probably get a dip down to here. But still, it's Friday. I'm green. That's all I need to do. Every day, every day, every day. Hustling, every day hustling. So making $425. The other day, somebody asked me about how do they know this is a simulator or if this is real money. So right now, you can see the background on this. See the background, how it's black, right? This is a real money, real account. This is my Philip trading account. All right, so when I go to a simulator, when I put it into the simulator, now I'm trading with the simulator, you can see here. If I put it into simulator, it'll have a gray background. So that's the big difference. Great thing about NinjaTrader, you can basically see the difference. That's trading with the simulator when it has a gray background, and that's trading with real money right there. So real money today, real profits, making $425 this morning. Really simple. I mean, this was not rocket science by any means. And I got in at a conservative area. I probably could have gotten, short up here. Probably. I could have probably gotten short there. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. But I was just waiting for that confirmation in that breakdown. And there you see, we got the breakdown. So that was basically what I was looking at, what I was watching this morning. And there it is. Trading futures, making $425. Easy. I don't want to say it's easy, but it's definitely something. There it is. Look at that. Pushed all the way down there to the 222 area. Oh, man. So that's the move that I really should have waited for here. We're going into open. Let's see what happens right here at open, and then I'm going to walk away. Look at it. Oh, just getting hammered right now. Oh, baby. Down there to 220. So from 227 down there to 220, that's 7 handles. From the top up there, 229. Down there at 220, it's 9 handles. So if you got one contract, each contract's $50 a handle. Do the math. You can see you don't need huge moves in the market to capitalize and to be green and to make profit. The one great thing about trading futures is there's tons of liquidity. If I'm buying here, getting long, it's not going to just drop instantly. You're not going to just get like a huge drop right away. Obviously there's volatility in the market, but there's always going to be kind of buyers, as you can see here. Even as we're making these moves right here on the right hand side on the ladder there, you can see how even as this thing's moving, there's still plenty of orders going through, plenty of orders, both sides. So you have time to get out of the trade, you have time to get into the trade, and vice versa. So, bouncing back hard. So I'm feeling okay. I feel okay that we ended up getting out where we did. So this morning, nice little move in the market. Look at it, rallying right now. There's the break. If I was really kind of thinking about trading this right now, I'd probably have jumped back in as we broke above the EMA. Let's see if this kind of pulls back and then kind of continues higher here. But the problem is on the 5-minute chart, we're pushing right up into that overall downward trend. So let's see if this thing pushes from here. Okay, there's that push. Beautiful. All right. So I don't want to say I had a perfect execution on this trade, but still locking down profit this morning, up $425. So there it is. If you guys haven't already, do me one big favor. It's Friday. Hit that like button. Leave a comment down below. I will talk to you guys later on.